Dear friend, today I will cook a extreme easy food for our friend. The material is quite easy. It's sponged gourd and oyster mushroom. First, we remove the skin of sponged gourd. Then cut the sponged gourd into 5 centimeter long strips. Cut the oyster mushroom also into 5 centimeter long strips. When vegetable oil become hot, we put all material into the wok, then stir fry them. The only condiment we need is 1 spoon of salt. When we are cooking, we need to add some water into the wok to help cook the materials. More or less, we need 7 or 8 minutes to cook the material. When material becomes soft, that means it's already ready. Because this dish is very, very easy. Anyone just have a look, they can cook it. So I hope you can enjoy your cooking, my friend. Bye bye.